Hello beautiful peoples, welcome to Mobile with Info YouTube channel. Today I will talk about Motorola Edge 30 Pro 5G. Before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start this video guys. Motorola Edge 30 Pro 5G price in Pakistan starts with peak AR 1,16,997. Motorola Edge 30 Pro 5G comes up with a screen size of 6.67 inches and with a 128GB 256GB of base variant. Design and display. Motorola Edge 30 Pro 5G flaunts a 6.67 inches display with a screen resolution of 1080x2340 pixels. This model display has a pixel density of 385 pi. Coming to the design, Motorola Edge 30 Pro 5G has a weight of 190 grams and comes up with a height, thickness, and width of 163.3 mm, 7.9 mm, 76.1 mm respectively. Camera. The rear surface of Motorola Edge 30 Pro 5G has a 108MP f1.8 wide plus 8MP f2.4 telephoto plus 16MP f2.2 ultrawide, and at front, it has 32MP f2.0 camera. Configuration and performance. Motorola Edge 30 Pro 5G is loaded with the Qualcomm SM8250 Snapdragon 830 processor. It has a CPU of Octa-core, 1x 2.84 GHz Kryo, 585 and 3x 2.42 GHz Kryo, 585 and 4x 1.8 GHz Kryo 585, and a GPU of Adreno 650. It comes up with a RAM and storage of 8GB, 128GB 256GB along with the battery of non-removable LiPo 4500 mAh battery. Multimedia and Connectivity. Motorola Edge 30 Pro 5G comes up with the call records, messaging, phone book, audio player, FM radio, games, speakers, video player, Edge, GPRS, fingerprint sensor. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.